Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing another what I eat in a day video with all of you. So I'm super excited. These videos are so much fun to watch and really fun to film. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. In case you are new here, my name is Marissa and I am a pharmacist and health coach, and I make videos all about gut health and recipes and different wellness tips. So if that is something that you are interested in, then I would love it if you could subscribe to my channel. So what you'll see as the day goes on is that I like to eat intuitively and I love healthy food. So you'll see a lot of that in this video, and I don't follow any one particular diet plan. I have just found that they do not work for me and my body. So anyways, I am just going to take my camera along with me throughout the day and just share what I'm eating as the day goes on. And let's get started and see what I eat today. So I am such a huge fan of having oatmeal in the morning for breakfast, especially during the week. And so once I have that cooked, I will usually add a little bit of ground flaxseed for some nice omega-3 fatty acids right on top and mix that in. You don't even notice it's there, I promise. And then I put a little dollop of some peanut butter. I just love the way it tastes, and it adds a little bit more of protein and fat to help keep me full longer. And then I always put a little bit of fresh fruit right on top of it. Sometimes I'll use like strawberries or blueberries or oranges or whatever I have on hand, but today I was using a banana, and I love adding a little bit of cinnamon right on top. I love the flavor it gives. And then there you go, that's what it looked like. That was my breakfast, and I enjoyed that with a cup of tea, decaf tea, because I don't drink caffeine. You guys, it is a little bit later in the day. Sun never really fully came out today, which is probably why there's some shadow in my kitchen, but forgive me on that. I just got back from my morning workout at the gym, and I need like a little bit of a snack. So I'm gonna have 2 of these little squares of my date bars. I've made them here on YouTube before. They have peanut butter in it, so definitely some fat and protein, which is great for after the gym. And I am also going to be having a glass of water with it. So I will see you guys a little bit later for lunch. Hey you guys, it is definitely time for lunch now. I'm very hungry, and I didn't really have much in my refrigerator, so I kind of created this out of nothing. I had some leftover rice and some broccoli and mushrooms, so I sauteed that all together, put it with a little teriyaki sauce, and scrambled up a fried egg on the side. So there you go, that was my lunch. Hey you guys, so it is later on in the day. It is dark outside and it's definitely time for dinner. So I am making some chicken sausage, and I have some leftover sauerkraut, which the recipe will be coming soon to my YouTube channel, and then some roasted asparagus on the side. So I'm excited. Everything is kind of cooking. I got the sausage on the stove, the asparagus is in the oven. So there's that, but I actually had a snack earlier this afternoon and I forgot to share it with all of you. So I had like half of an apple sliced up, and then I had some of these chips from Off the Eaten Path, these veggie crisp. They're so good. They have rice flour, sunflower oil, dried green peas, dried yellow peas, dried black beans, and some sea salt. So they're really good. I really like them. They definitely have like that salty crunch bite if you're looking for a snack like that, which I always crave salty over sweet, but anyways, they were fun with the apple. So that was my snack earlier today, and now I'm just prepping for dinner. So I will show you guys what it looks like when I'm done making it. Alrighty you guys, so this is my dinner. I have some asparagus, and I just put some garlic powder, onion powder, and lemon juice on that. This is just the chicken sausage over there. I boiled it and put it in the frying pan so it could brown up a little bit. And then over there is the apple sauerkraut that I made earlier today. And I actually filmed the whole process, so there should be a recipe soon coming to my channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this and maybe have some tea, and then that's pretty much it. Alrighty you guys, so that is everything that I ate today. I hope that you enjoyed this video and got some great meal inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!